Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to get the Infinity Clones filter on TikTok. If you're unaware of what that filter looks like, it just looks like this. So it's really cool and unique. It just makes like a ton of emulations of yourself. So it's actually pretty cool and really easy to get. So all you have to do is head over to your TikTok application and open that up. Once you're on the TikTok application, you just want to go to the top search bar under the Discover tab, and it's search for Infinity Clones filter. And just search for that and just click on videos, and all you have to do is just find someone using that filter in their video, like this first video right here. Once you are on that, above the username you see that little yellow link for Infinity Clones. You want to click on that and just click on add to favorites, and now this will always be in your favorites whenever you go make a new video. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with getting this filter. If I was helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.